I'll show you how you can get free Windows 10 RDP. Now I'm going to show you 3 different options that you can use. The first one is called Microsoft Azure, right? You can try Azure for free and it's a pay-as-you-go system, right? So if you want to try Azure for free, just click on that button. Now you'll be prompted to sign up for your Microsoft account. Just let it sign up here and redirect. Now let me sign in to my account real quick. Now, once you're signed in, you can see you can get popular services free for 12 months. You can get 55 services always free, and you can get up to $200 credit to use in your first 30 days, right? There's no automatic charges as well, so it's a purely pay-to-go system. Now, all you have to do is you have to fill in your profile here, your first name, your middle name, your last name, your email address, your phone, your MPYP as well, but it's optional, your city, your postal code, and all of these other stuff. You do need to also have to verify yourself with an ID, but that should be it's like a pretty minor inconvenience for a free RTP. There's another option as well that I'm gonna show you. It's called AWS. It's Amazon's RTP. So just click on complete sign up here to get into their Amazon cloud computing services. Again, this is of course free as well. Now you can see, just type in your root email address. So I'm just gonna type in my email address here real quick. Now, once signed in, you can see that this is the free tier that AWS offers. It's always free. You can have 12 months free, and it's a trial, of course, as well, right? So you just have to fill out this one, like the address line, the country of region, the full name, and also your phone number. And then you can agree and continue, and you can move on to your free RTP. The last one I'm going to show you is called Google Cloud, right? So this is, again, an RTP solution. You can get $300 in free credits and free usage of over 20 products. Now, just to start, get started for free, just like this. Now, it'll redirect you onto a new section here. Now, on Google Cloud Console, of course, you'll have to pick your country. You can click on agree and continue. And then you can see this is Google Cloud for free. But although you do need to add in a verified identity, and you also need to add in a payment profile as well. And for the payment profile, I think the only accepted part is credit or debit card. So I think the most easy way for you to pick an RTP, of course, there's pros and cons to all of these, but personally, I prefer Microsoft Azure. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.